Fuck, this movie's lame. Oh, I don't think I'm high enough.
Zoic's retirement. No. Come on. I had to go.
Yeah, it's your job.
Well, with Zwick out, there's an opening on Vice, so.
And you're taking it.
Yeah. Anyway.
All right.
Yeah.
Man, I almost ate all of them. I think I had 4 today. Fuck, I hate cops.
That tell you the good news? You no longer have a badge.
Even in the movies.
That's actually pretty funny.